Hey everybody, this is Michael Locascio I from mslcomputerservice. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to my new video. This video is about my computer business and what I can do for you and what services I offer. I have been in business for 23 years repairing computers. I started out in Pennsylvania, where I worked there in 1995 repairing computers, and then I moved down here to Florida. I can repair your computer locally here in Melbourne, Florida, if you live in the Brevard County area, or remotely over the internet, and I can do that regardless of where you live, as long as you can get on the internet and you can sign on and you can get on the internet and download a small program. I could do software repairs to your computer online. The things that I do are I do computer tune-ups, I do hardware upgrades, I do software upgrades, I do fine-tune your system, I remove viruses and malware, I clean your system, I back up and transfer your information, your data, I replace laptop screens, I install Windows 7 and repair Windows 10. I troubleshoot computer issues. I have very fast service, fast turnaround, and I have Microsoft CompTIA, Dell, and HP certification tech completion courses. And I also set up and troubleshoot wireless networks, and I give free training to new users. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. If you are sign up for my subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll get a discount as being one of my subscribers, and I will talk to you on pricing. You can text or call me at 321-557-0704. We could talk about your computer issue. I also do consulting, and I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Michael Locascio. Again, I'm from mslcomputerservice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. And I have a lot of other videos that will help you, so look at those also.